My name is Bumbleclot Johnson.
Bumbleclot Johnson, no fish talking. Bumbleclot Johnson, go take it to the island lava.
Let me ask you a couple questions. Are you irresponsible?
Yes.
Do you struggle with confidence?
Yes.
Do you not complete tasks?
Yes.
Stay tuned, me have a solution for you.
Hi, Bumbleclot Johnson. How will this help me?
Me glad you asked. Listen, with Manscape, you're able to groom your broom. You see me? You groom your broom. Me talking about your growing area where your crops are crop. You know? You don't want to have furry bush. You want to keep yourself groomed nicely. And with the 4th generation trimmer from Manscaped, the Lawnmower 4.0, 7,000 RPM spinning, wireless charging, waterproof using, trimmer with ceramic skin safe blades. Man, easy bad man will pick up on it. What I have in me left hand is the Lawnmower 4.0. Let's take a closer look on the product. With removing the package from the package, we are greeted with the Lawnmower 4.0 Bumbleclot. Oh my youth, look at the body lines of this bad girl. Look upon the sleekness. This thing is beautiful. We have advanced skin safe technology, ceramic blades, which helps reduce nicks and cuts upon your ball area. We have an LED spotlight and power status indicator that let us know when we have a full charge and when we need to charge. Bumbleclot, this is ingenious. Did I mention that it's waterproof? You can use it in the shower. Bumbleclot. And the best part about this, it has a travel lock feature. If you press this 3 times, it locks it. And when you press it, it won't work because it's now locked. To unlock it, simply press it 3 times again. Bumbleclot. Incredible. Excellent. Shabba. Look pon it. Look pon the charging station. We're charging up. You see the indicator in action. We needed 2 more juice bars to fill up. Charge me up. Charge me up. So if you're having problems not getting the honey dips, you lack confidence, you can't complete tasks, you pretty much have trouble with everything regarding your personal life, don't fret. If you act fast, you can get your very own Lawnmower 4.0 trimmer with 20% off and free shipping. Bumbleclot. Bumbleclot. Link down below in the description box below, and we want to give thanks to Manscape for sponsoring this video. Yo, what's up y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, it's gonna be more or less like a vlog in particular. Like nothing crazy might happen, but I do have to install my new side skirts that I received from PCI because I ruined mine. I've had my PCI skirts on the Integra for the span of, I don't know, 4 years now, and I ruined the driver's side completely at Fred's house. Every time I work on my car at Fred's house, things like this happens. And then this happened not too long ago. So I put in an order for new skirts from Brian over at PCI. So I'm gonna replace my skirts today. I'm not gonna paint match them either. They're just gonna be black. And all the stuff you see right here, like those speckles of paint chipping and all that, that is all due to racing. Rock chips, the going off course, anything like that, that causes that. So this is not a show car, everybody. This is my daily now and my race car. So yeah, I try to keep it clean as best as I could, but you know, obviously that's not working out too well. Me and my rotor grid's just chilling. But what I have in this package right here is my new skirts from PCI. So I guess I'll put these on, and then I'm actually gonna probably go pick up probably gonna buy a new skateboard today. Probably go to 561 Skateboarding, support the local skate shops. Go there, pick up a board. I already have this board right here. The homie Jermaine gave me this one like years ago. Got independent trucks on it, some fresh bearings, and Spitfire wheels. They're pretty good though. Like they're not bad, but this board right here is just, it's clapped. It's I think this is a 8.25. I'm gonna probably get a 7.75 or probably just an 8. I just need something small. This is a heavy ass board, dog. And yeah, so probably gonna get back into skateboarding a little bit. Chill with the homies Sean and Chris Moo. Go to the local skate park in Stewart and just wild out. But for now, let's get these skirts on and just enjoy the vibe of this video, dog. Black skirts are on. How does it look? I think it looks more aggressive. Complements the splitter and the obviously now matte black T37s. But ain't too bad. All right, let's go to 561. Look at that baby girl. They close at 6. It's a 17-minute drive, 6 miles away. And there's traffic. So hopefully I'm able to make it. Ay, ay, ay. 540. Integra's in one piece. We made it to 561. Let's do something walking across the street. Feeling a bit toxic today. So I got the toxic SBs on, bro. And if you do skateboarding, support your local skate shops, dog. Shit helps more than y'all know. All right, we made it. Hey, how's it going? So this is my local skate shop, 561. All the real people know about this shop. Definitely gonna start like getting here. It's pretty cool. Accessories, shirts, and everything. That's nice. I want to make Zosh MFG shirts like this, but like have the Zosh MFG logo right here. That's pretty fire. Oh, that's neat. Tie-dye goes. That's fire. Fire merch. Fire. Yeah. Damn, these go hard, yo. All right, thank you, man.
Yeah, have fun with it.
Teak is the man. Got us a new board. Fresh grip tape. He even doing some new hardware for me. And this is the board I got. Yeah. Alright, so now that we got a new deck, let's head over to Travis' house. He picked up a banner. You guys probably haven't seen Travis in a minute. So we're gonna go over to Travis' house, give him his brand new banner. And I'm gonna head to the gym afterwards and then probably skate tomorrow or something. I don't know, I'll figure it out. I'm gonna get back into this, dog. Give me a nice little hobby to do. Randy's out of town for a whole week, so I'm gonna be starving because, you know, Randy's house is always a place to eat. And now I'm just gonna have to, I'm gonna starve. Just left the gym. We're good. Now I get some gas. And today is Monday, June 14th, which means a new episode of All American come on tonight, playboy. So I gotta tap in with me and my mom. That's how we spend time with each other. So We're gonna watch some All-American, eat some Publix chicken. Oh, I gotta go put gas in. I gotta go get gas, playboy. Came home, back at the crib, and my new package arrived from, I bought this from Flight Club, but it said it shipped from Goat. So I have no idea. I don't know. But I bought another set of, well, I didn't even tell you the shoes I just recently bought, but I'm getting my sneaker collection back going because in high school I had some heat. I recently bought my grails. My grails are Black Cement 3s. If you don't know about the sneaker culture, the word grail means like your all-time favorite shoe. And those to me are Black Cement 3s and Bread 4s, Bread 1s, you know, like just the OGs, you hear me? But these, bruh, these 4s right here, whoo, bruh, tough. Oh, so you got the Flight Club tag on it. Bro, I had to, bro. I had to. These Johns are nice. Fire. Fire, bro. Fire. Those are called the Topaz 4s. And I'm probably gonna match those with these pink laces I have, because pink laces go hard. I guess I can give you guys a quick little, like, view at my so-called sneaker collection now, but I had bought these pink laces off Amazon, and get an outfit, get that pink and that brown. That's pink silhouettes off that brown. Nice! So these are the shoes I recently just bought. My Black Cement 3s, which are my grails, all-time favorite Jordans ever. And yeah, if you got some old schools, you gotta rock the yellow laces. And I also got orange ones too. And then the pink laces on this blue, those fire. But yeah, dog, just a little, ain't nothing crazy. I ain't got no heat yet, but you know, just my essentials. Got my gym shoes at the bottom, all my Asics, you feel me? Got my SBs, you feel me? And Vans, what are those? Oh, those are Vans too. You know what I mean? I got a little something. I don't have nothing. So today was actually the day I was supposed to do some skateboard stuff for y'all, but it rained all day. However, I did receive my new seatbelt harnesses for the passenger side. Now, we all know when it comes to me wearing my seatbelt, I don't do it, but ever since what happened to the homie Jeff, man, it just woke me up, dog. I need to wear my seatbelt, and anybody that gets in my car needs to have the right safety equipment. So, you know, I already got my driver's side seatbelts. Now I'm just going to install the passenger side, but I'll probably do that tomorrow. I know you guys want a video. I haven't uploaded in like 3 days, so let me get this video out to you guys. Just basically like a little update video of like what's been going on behind the scenes, because I feel like I haven't been like showcasing stuff outside of cars, man. But I know how important car stuff is to y'all, because that's pretty much how I got most of y'all here, by car videos. But it's more to life than cars, my G. But yeah, I still don't have a daily. I can't find no clean cars, bro. Like, I was looking for anything and everything, and I can't find nothing clean. I wanted to buy a Honda Odyssey, a minivan, for a daily, but no, couldn't find one of those either. So it's a tough world out here, brother. It's a tough world, but it's time to close out this video. Not the vocals. But that is wraps for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Huge shout out to Manscape for sponsoring me and keeping my channel afloat by giving me income. I need the monies. Thank you. Appreciate everybody who actually used my discount code with Manscaped. Clean your balls, bro. Shave your nuts. Women love it. Don't you want the gawk action? Shave them. Speaking of which, I gotta do my homework. So, have y'all ever had pancake on a sausage? Pause. Well, like, dog, slaps. I'm hungry, bro. Today's Tuesday. Today is BOGO at B-Dubs, dog. But B-Dubs gonna clap my stomach up. I ain't looking to have a clap stomach. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like on the video. If you did not, leave a dislike on the video. All in all, bro, I tell you this all the time. I love you, and also, I don't give I love each and every single one of y'all. Be sure to check out Zosh FG to pick up some merch so I don't have to file for bankruptcy or just get a job. Shut your ass. Let's speak about that, bruh. Cause I'm tired of, bruh, dog, bro. People always Like, if I make a joke about, like, the homies getting something cool, and I be like, must be nice, there's always that one idiot in the comment, like, well, if you get a job, like, where do you Bruh. You know what's funny? It's hilarious. It doesn't bother me. It's just, like, people are just stupid. But what's funny is, let's say a higher up YouTuber, right? Like, a YouTuber that makes more views and all that stuff, and he say, yeah, I've been down on my ass lately, and, like, I'm just running out of money. Guess what happens? Oh, bro, just release something, I'll support you. But when I do it, apparently, it's, well, you should get a fucking job. Bruh. Okay, I don't understand. I don't understand. But anyways, I'll be sure to catch y'all in the next one. I'm out. Peace.